All right, a little movie magic. Hopefully you paused it and got what you needed. And again, I do very much recommend, whether you are stumbled upon me and wanted to learn how to do this and don't have the worksheet, or whether you have the worksheet or not, as we're working, looking at one, pause, figure it out, and then come back and check and see if you got it right. Scientists learn the most when they're wrong. So just sitting here and letting me give you the answers is not going to help you learn how to do this. All right, so for this first one, we're starting on M for milli and ending on C for centimeter. So that's just one move to the left. So right now we've got our decimal here, so we just move it there. So it would be 0.8 or 0.8. And there's a terrible glare on that. C, 0.8. Sorry. So next we're going from centi to milli. So that's just one move to the right. So you do the same thing with the decimal. One move to the right for 63. All right, next one. We're starting on U for unit. Why? Because it's the M by itself. So it's M by itself. That means it's U for unit. Okay, and then we're ending at centi. So 1, 2 to the right. 1 to the right gets us to 56. So one more to the right, we got to add a 0, 560. For this one, we're going from centi to unit. So that's 2 to the left. So 1, 2 to the left makes it 260. All right, getting on over here, starting at M, ending on K. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We finally really are supposed to make that big move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got our decimal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've even got to add a 0 in front of it. 0.0565. 565 10,000ths. Milli to unit. 1, 2, 3 to the left. So 1, 2 to the left, 3, we got to put a 0 in front. Starting on centi, ending on U for unit. 1, 2, 1, 2, just 2. 1, 2. 9.23. And one more before we have a bit more movie magic. Kilo to centi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got to add 2 zeros. 2,500.